Hair gurus and new, she slaying the city. No makeup, just wake up and still giving them pretty. Hit the lights, camera, action, cause it's big as a movie. And grab a seat and now tune with Disastrous Beauty.
Hey love bugs, it's your girl Disastrous Beauty coming back with the voiceover. So the unit I will be reviewing today was sent to me by Divawigs. Shout out to you Divawigs for sending me yet another unit. I really do appreciate it. As you guys can see right here, I'm showing you guys the cap construction, and this unit does come with 3 combs in the front, 1 comb in the back with adjustable straps, and this is a T-part lace frontal wig. And you can see she's a curly chick, honey, and she's 14 inches long and 150% density. Now if you're interested in any more detailed specs and all that good stuff about this unit, then please continue to watch, and I will see you love bugs in the outro. Bye! Obviously finished styling this wig, and this is what I got. If you are interested in the details, the specs, and all the good stuff about this unit, then please continue to watch. Okay, so this unit was sent to me by Divawigs. Shout out to you Divawigs for sending me this unit and sponsoring this video. I really do appreciate it. So the unit that I am rocking is their curly, cute 13x5 T-part Brazilian virgin human hair lace front wig, perfect for middle part. Now, it says perfect for middle part, but your girl is wearing it kind of like low-key side part, okay? Like the middle is right here, so it's a side part that I'm wearing, but it's not really a, you know, a side part. You know what I mean? You know what I'm saying? Yeah. Anyways, but it says perfect for middle part. And on this little card that they sent me, they gave me like details and specs on it. So it says hair length of the one that I'm wearing, okay? Hair length 14 inches, density 150%, hair color available in natural black, cap construction T-part lace frontal wig. I will have some pictures on the screen so you guys can kind of see what I mean by a T-part unit. The T-part is just like, it's made like a T. So you can't part this unit anywhere else. You can like, it says 13x5 because the hair goes, like the lace goes around the perimeter. So, you know, it's laced around there, but you cannot part this unit anywhere else. And I hope like at this point you guys can see the construction of it so you know what I mean. And yeah, let me see what lengths this unit come in. It may just come in this length. Okay, so this unit does come in lengths from 12 inches to 22 inches. So keep that in mind. And the density is 150%, heavy up to 7 working days. What does that mean, child? I don't know, but that's what they had on here, okay? I have a direct link to it down below so you guys can kind of look and see and mess with it or whatever, because, you know, the prices go up with the longer the hair is. Okay, so this is 14 inches that I am rocking. And I don't know if this brochure thing comes with all of it, but it tells you about cutting the excess lace, washing the wig, lace wig care advice and tips. Child, maybe I should have read it. But anyways, it has all of that in here. So I'm not sure if it's going to come with your wig or I don't know, child. I don't know. I don't know. But I know that they did send this little brochure thing. As far as shedding and tangling with this wig, I did receive some shedding when I was like running my fingers through it, which is pretty common for me with all curly wigs. I don't know if I've ever gotten a curly wig that just didn't shed at all whenever I applied some product. I may have once, maybe. But for the most part, usually when I have a curly unit, it does, like when I run my fingers through it, like with product, it always sheds a little bit. So I want to throw that out there in case that's an issue for you. It's not a big issue for me, but you know, different strokes for different folks, sis. Okay, so I'm trying to look out for y'all, those of you who that is an issue for. Now, as far as tangling, it does not tangle whatsoever yet. Like as of yet, it's not a tangly wig, which is good because it is a curly wig, and that's another thing with most of my curly wigs. I hit a snag here and there, but with this particular unit, it wasn't like snaggy. If that makes any sense. Does that make sense? Do you get what I'm saying, sis? You know what I'm saying. So yeah, and yeah, that's pretty much it. Now, as far as the hairline, I feel like the hairline looks good, especially for a T-part unit, because you don't really have a lot of working room with these type of units to pluck them or tweeze them or whatever. So I think this is probably the first T-part wig, or one of the first that I've received where the hairline looked really nice and really natural. So that is also a plus with this wig. So that's pretty much it. Now, as far as it being big head friendly, let me see, can you get this wig in any other size? I don't see where you can get it in any other size, but I would say it is big head friendly, but I feel like if your head is on the smaller side, that you can still make it work, like, you know, by adjusting the straps and such. So I feel like, now if your head is humongous, you may not be able to make it work, but I feel like for the most part, it's good. It'll fit small, medium, and large. So yeah, that's pretty much it for the details and specs. Now, obviously, I don't have to give you guys a lint check because, honey, this is it. No Michael Jackson. So let's get into how I feel about this unit as well as the 4360. Okay, so honestly, y'all, I feel like this wig is a complete vibe. Like, I wanted the big bushy look, but I had already applied product. I don't know what I was thinking. Like, I don't know what I was thinking. I'm pretty sure at some point it's going to go back a little bushy, but I really kind of wanted the look of the model on the site, which I'm pretty sure at this point you guys have seen it, but I had already kind of weighed it down a little bit. It's probably gonna bush out a little bit, but it's not gonna give me that effect that I wanted with this wig. But I still love the wig. I think the wig is really nice. I love the hairline. I love how natural it looks. Like this right here, you can't tell me, honey, that don't look good. I mean, girl, okay. So like, I love that about this unit, and I'm good for a good curly bob all the time. Like, I know Jenny girl, I know that ain't your swag, but a lot of us do love a good curly bob, and I love these type of units. I love this type of length because this, like, to me, like I've been telling y'all, honey, in this old age of mine, the shorter the better for me. Like, I need something that's kind of out of my way. I can be cute, but you know, it's still sort of out of my way. And I feel like I did use my diffuser on it after I had applied all this different product and stuff, and I used my diffuser, and that kind of frizzed it out. And I ain't mad at the frizz. Like, I am not anti-frizz because I feel like frizz is a little more on the natural side, and I don't want to look too groomed. Okay, as a Virgo, I do have I do tend to look too groomed sometimes, but with these type of units, I kind of like that messy look, you know, that kind of messy out of bed and just wake up fine, like, honey, that Beyonce I woke up like this type of look, you know what I'm saying? So that's like what it's kind of giving me. Like, that's the vibe I'm getting, you know, like, I'm feeling it, you know. I have my very like sophisticated little outfit, but my hair is kind of like, you know, I'm a daredevil, you know what I mean? I don't know. But yeah, I'm feeling it. I think it is a look like Divawigs has not disappointed me thus far. Okay, I have been working with them. This is maybe my 5th wig or so with this company, and they have not disappointed yet. Like, they be coming through with the come through. The hairlines be on point. The hair be on point. Shout out to you, Divawigs. Okay, girl. Shout out to you. Now, as far as the products that I use, I did use water and leave-in conditioner and mousse, which was my Cantu curling mousse, and then I used my diffuser. So those were the products, and yeah, that's pretty much it. I'm gonna go ahead and give you guys a full 360, and then we can wrap this thing all the way up. So this is obviously the unit in the front. This is it on the left side. This is it in the back, and this is it on the right side. So yeah, y'all, I'm feeling it. It's a vibe. Let me know down below what you guys think. Do you think it's a vibe? Do you prefer the wet, sleek look? Do you prefer the completely dry, messy look? Or do you prefer the in-between kind of, I woke up like this type of look? Let me know down below in the comments. And yeah, honey, we are done. So if you like this video, give me a thumbs up. If you have any questions you feel like I may have left out, feel free to comment down below. And if you're not already subscribed, click the subscribe button, sis. And if you're not already following me on all my social media platforms, I am Disastrous Beauty on both IG and Facebook. I'm Health to Miss C on Snapchat, and I'm Disastrous B on Twitter. And I will see you love bugs next time. Bye.